Oh, really? Well, since it's your birthday, you can choose.
I like this one. I'll name it Blackie. Oh, I found a dog. I should take him under my wing. I will name him Blackie.
Walk on. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Snatch, look, I found a dog.
Well, you better name that the mutt.
How about Spot?
How'd you get that? How'd you get that?
Because he has a spot on his tail.
I want this one.
Oh, okay.
Time to take this mutt to my super friendly, fun, and happy supper.
That's pretty good for as big as she is. Holy cow.
I know, he's a big boy. He really is a big boy. And stuff. This is why we can't blow dry at home. Practice it. She's crazy.
So they can't fight, they can't see it. Okay, they're gonna come.
Find it! Where'd it go? Go find it! Find it! Where'd it go? Get it! Who's got the ball? Where'd it go? What happened to it? Nope, don't think it's there. Keep looking. Find it! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Come on. Where'd it go? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
I think they lost.
Find it! Find it! Nope, not underneath there. Use your nose. Go find it. Remington. Nope, not in there. Nope. Remington. Remy. He's looking in the bed. Go find it. Find it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Alright, I'm going to give you one opportunity. There it is. It was stuck, wasn't it? Okay. Alright, go on. Go on. Back up. Okay. Come on.
Keep moving.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Oh, no, you can't cheat. Sit. Stay. Find it! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
They're looking in the same place.
Where'd it go? Use your nose. Where is it? Where is it? No? Where is it? Where'd it go? No? Go find it. Not in the toy box. Where is it? Go find it. Oh, I got an itch. Run. Go find it. Get it. Let's see if it's back here. Remington. Find it. Find it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Okay. You Thank you.
And toss it, and then you gotta do the little butt wiggle. Over here.
You ready?
Ready, steady, go. Ah! She got it. Ready, steady, go.
He did. It's skipping. Whoa. Full speed! Hi, Grandma.
Come on.
I love when she stops and her butt goes up in the air.
Woo! Whoa!